In this video, you're going to learn how to find the number of terms of a sequence without being given the first term and the common difference. Now the question here is the fifth term of an AP is 28 and the 14th term is 82. Find the 24th term. Now all the information they give us here is the fifth term is 28. So we have the fifth term, which will be T5 is equal to 28. And the 14th term, which is T14, is equal to 82. We do not know the 24th term. You understand that the fifth term is also giving us A plus 4D. If you watch the last video, you understand where this came from. We just put in the value into the nth term, where we have A plus n minus 1 will become 5 minus 1, and then we have D. So 5 minus 1 is 4. You have D here, you have plus A. This is the fifth term. Okay, so if you watch that video, you understand this clearly. So the same thing for the 14th term, which is 82, it will be A plus 13D. The 24th term, which is not given, is A plus 23D. So you notice for us to find the 24th term, we need the first term and the common difference. But how can we do that? In this instance, since we have two equations here, the fifth term gives us the first equation, 28 equals to A plus 4D. We'll call this equation 1. The second term, or the 14th term, it has the equation 82 equals to A plus 13D, and we'll call this equation 2. So since we have two equations, we can just use simultaneous equation. This will help us find A and D. So let's put that in the next page. So we have A plus, I think that's 3D, right? 4D, sorry, since we're dealing with fifth term. A plus 4D is equal to 24, I suppose. And A plus 13D is equal to 82. Well, let me check this out. Sometimes I make mistake. Yeah, I knew it. This is 28. So let me correct that. All right, 28. And 82 is correct, I'm sure. Yes. Okay. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. We're going to apply the elimination method. So we're going to say, let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So A will cancel here, and then we'll have 4D minus 13D. This will give us minus 9D. This is equal to 28 minus 82. This will actually give us minus 54. Yeah, should be. So we can now divide both sides by negative 9. Negative cancel negative, 9 divide 54 is 6. So our common difference is 6. So 1 is out of the way. Now if you understand simultaneous equation, you understand we need to put D in any of the equations. So we're going to apply D into equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus 4D equal to 28. So this is, let me write this well, this is 28. So D is 6 here, so we have A plus 4 times 6 equal to 28. And we have A plus 24 equals 4 times 6 is 24 equal to 28. We'll collect like terms by moving 24 to this side. So A will be equal to 28 minus 24, which will be 4. So our first term is 4. With this now, we can apply A and D into the 24th term and get the answer. So this is how to work on it, but let's just complete the math here. So since we have A as 4 and D as 6, we're going to have a 24th term. A is 4 plus D here is 6, so we have 23 times 6. But let me check if this is accurate. Okay, 4 and 6. Okay, so we have 4 plus 6 times 23 should give us 138, I suppose. This is 4 plus 138. If we add this, our final answer, let me put it here. Final answer, the 24th term, T24, will be equal to 142. And this is the answer. All right, so this is how you work on questions in arithmetic progression when you do not have the first term and the common difference. If you understand this video very well, then you want to try this. The question here says, in an AP, the 10th term is 68, while its 4th term is 26. Find the common difference, the first term, and the 20th term. I'm going to leave the solution or the answer in the comment section so to be able to check it out. If you like this video, please subscribe. And also, if you have any question, also leave it in the comment section. Thank you.